Now let us talk about the theorem of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. So let us say this is 90 degree and it is 30 degree and it is 60 degree. Now a side opposite to 90 degree is nothing but hypotenuse, and BC nothing but opposite to 30 degrees. You see that here is the angle 30 degree and this side is opposite to 30 degrees. And this side, that is AC, opposite to 60 degree. See here the 60 degree and here is the opposite to 60 degree. So what to write? BC is nothing but opposite to 30 degrees. And what is AC? AC nothing but opposite to 60 degrees. Suppose hypotenuse is say 20 centimeter. Now I have a magic with me. I can easily tell you what can be the length of AC and what can be the length of BC. Actually it is not magic. It is nothing but 30, 60, 90 degree property. By using that property, we can easily tell what is the length of AC and what is the length of BC. According to 30, 60, 90 degree property, the side opposite to 30 degree is equals to half of the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree angle is nothing but √3/2 times of hypotenuse. Here is a AB, that is a hypotenuse. AB equals to how much? 20 centimeter. And if you wish to find out the side opposite to 30 degree, that is a BC. BC equals to half of the hypotenuse, that is a hypotenuse 20 centimeter. So BC is equal to 10 centimeters. Now you will ask me what is the length of AC. So length of AC equals to √3/2 into length of hypotenuse, that is a 20 centimeter. So 2 ones are 2 tens are cut down. So AC equals to 10 √3 centimeters. So 10 into 1.732 centimeters. Then how much it will be? It will be nothing but 17.32 centimeters. How to remember this formula? Okay, I got a funny idea. I request you not to laugh. Okay, just if you don't like it, forget it. But let me tell you what is funny idea. The funny idea is that 30 degree I consider as a young age and 90 degree I consider as a old age. So I call it as a young age to old age formula. What I call it? Young age to old age formula. Old age formula. Okay. And when you are at 30 age, suppose my age is a 30 degree. So my power is half of the oldest person. I'm not powerful at 30 degrees. So, but my power is, my ability is half of the old age. What is the old age? Old age is nothing but hypotenuse. So therefore, opposite to the 30 degree, half of the old age. Okay, this is the old age and half of the old age. So old age upon 2. So formula, how to remember that? Young age to old age formula. At 30 degree, we are the half value compared to the grandpa. In your house, you got the grandpa and you. So your abilities, your power, your intelligence, all are considered to be half of the grandpa. Therefore, opposite to the 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Once you remember the hypotenuse, 60 degree automatically can be known. That is a √3/2 times of hypotenuse. This way, I do remember this formula and I do call it as a young age to old age formula. Let me give you one more example. Suppose AB, that is a hypotenuse, equals to 7 centimeter. Then side BC nothing but opposite to the 30 degrees. It is opposite to 30 degrees. So what is the value of BC? Half of the hypotenuse, that is a 7 centimeter divided by 2 equals to 3.5 centimeters. And the value of AC, that is nothing but opposite to the 60 degree, that is equals to root 3 by 2 into 7 centimeters equals to root 3, 2 ones are 3.5, so root 3 into 3.5 centimeters. Now root 3 equals to 1.732 into 3.5. If you multiply that, you will get roughly about 6.06 centimeters. So this way we use 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property. And I suggest you that always remain young, don't become old, okay? But remember young age to old age formula. Now next time I will meet you again with another topic, another video. Till then, bye bye, see you, enjoy your life.